It's been a long time since I have this fire pit drop, 36-inch. I bought it from Amazon. Today is the time we are going to put it together. Then we will work on our project. We will make a fire pit same like this, and then we will drop inside the fire pit. All the pieces out of the box. I have 4 side walls, some screws, and instruction manual. Instruction manual will guide you how to put it together. You need tools, handheld screwdriver or the drill driver. I have a drill driver. We will use both combinations. It's nothing more than a metal pieces. If you have a place where you can buy the metal pieces and you can weld it together, you can make it your own cheaper, and you just need to fire it, try to paint. I bought it because I don't have those kind of skills, and I don't have those tools are available for me. Before we put it together, let's talk about the price. When I bought it about 2-3 months ago, I bought it for $130. I will leave a link in description. And the really heavy, I'm not sure the one is cheaper is lightweight, but this one is way heavy. It's really simple. This side will be overlap, have no thread. Here we have a thread, so this piece will go inside. Same all corners. I have put it the way you're gonna go. Now we will put it together. Now our installation of fire pit drop is completed, and the most important part is measurement. It says 36-inch. Now let's see what it means to be 36-inch. If we drop inside part is 36-inch, both way, 36. From out to out is 41.5, and overlap is 2 3/4 inch. So that's the measurement if you are wondering to know. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Meet you in next video with the new topic.